Hi everyone, I'm Shruti Medappa. I'm a clinical dietitian and a meditation coach. Diwali is an auspicious festival and traditionally celebrated not only with sweets, lights, and joy. Today, I'm going to share two variant tips. One, the importance of decluttering our homes before Diwali. I'll be sharing two quick recipes. So, everyone knows before Diwali arrives, the best part is decluttering our homes. Has anyone logically thought what is the reason behind it? Let's understand. Winter is on its way, and it's time to segregate our summer and winter clothes. Usually, the winter clothes it is quite bulky and requires more space, like quilts, blankets, warm clothes. And whilst making the spaces, we encounter stuffs which is no longer in use. And be wise and declutter it or donate it to the needy ones. What if I say still there is a lot of clutter being filled? Have we all decluttered our mind, body, and soul? No, right? So let's take it as a challenge and declutter our mind, body, and soul as well by detoxing it. So, based on my previous recording, so got few queries requesting for the healthy recipes. So, two recipes have been shared on the description below. So, happy Diwali to you all. Let's win the victory of light over the darkness by cleansing and detoxing our mind, body, and soul. Thank you.